Irina Lukavetsky. I'm from Romania. I'm technical director in SIRET Water Basin Administration. We have a project under the frame of Blue Deal. That's why I participated today in the workshop with the nature-based solutions. And we are very interested because we have a lot of works to do on the rivers to mitigate the consequences of the flash floods and also what causes flash floods. So it was a very interesting workshop today, but it's a lot of things to learn here. And we also established some contacts with other partners from other countries, and we will be in contact with them after the Congress to see what we can develop together.
Bonjour à tous, je suis Fanny Sabi, chargée de communication pour le développement à FASOCOM, bureau local de Blue Deal au Burkina Faso. En termes d'activités liées aux solutions basées sur la nature, telles que la destruction et la valorisation des plantes aquatiques envahissantes, les traitements de ravines, les cordons pierreux et aussi les diguettes filtrantes. Nous avons eu, grâce aux outils de financement, qui nous ont permis d'envoyer des comités locaux de l'eau au Bénin apprendre comment valoriser. Aujourd'hui, nous faisons des engrais bio, nous faisons des fertilisants, nous faisons du compost, nous faisons du charbon et nous faisons même beaucoup de gadgets utilitaires tels que des paniers, tels que des sacs avec la jacinthe d'eau. Ça résout le problème de la prolifération de la jacinthe d'eau et ça aussi résout le problème aussi économique au niveau des associations locales, des communautés à la base. Donc, il faut dire que c'est ce que nous faisons pour pallier à ce problème. Merci.
Hola, mi nombre es Carolina de Colombia. Las soluciones basadas en la naturaleza tienen gran importancia porque son aquellas que nos van a ayudar a reducir el cambio climático y es utilizar la naturaleza para el bien de la población.
My name is Yunus Mangus. I came from Ethiopia. Ethiopia has 12 river basins. Abba Basin covers 200 square kilometers in Ethiopia. And about more than 30 million people are living in this basin. And it contains also more than 45% of the surface water potential of the country. Above all this river basin is highly degraded, and sedimentation and siltation is a big problem. So to solve this problem, the best methodology and idea is nature-based solution.
My name is Aaron Bundi. I work on the Blue Deal project in the White Volta Basin, and we are looking at issues that surround nature-based solutions to water resources management. And some of the challenges have to do with effective stakeholder engagement, getting the stakeholders to really contribute to what we will do in terms of implementing nature-based solutions.
My name is Jacqueline Mutinda, working with the Water Resources Authority in Kenya, which is a government agency for regulation and management of the water resources in the country. With the Blue Deal project, we are trying to restore the Thika River Basin, and we are using the nature-based solutions to help in the restoration of the river. The river is, the water levels are going down in the river. The water is dirty. There's a lot of water hyacinth which has invested the river. And we involved the community who are affected by the situation of the river to discuss about how we can restore the catchment to its original status. And we came up with the Bring Jururi Back to the River. It is a slogan we saw that it identifies very well with the community because they know this black water beetle from long time, and it has since disappeared in the rivers. Nature-based solutions is really working very well in Kenya.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Philemon Quinana, working for Department of Water and Sanitation in South Africa. Our project in the Blackstone Spruit is about improving the water quality and also ecological restoration in the Blackstone Spruit Ramsar site. Our main problem currently is about the hyacinth overgrowing in the water. So we try to look for different solutions on how to remove the hyacinth because it's affecting our water quality. It's also affecting the water flow in the rivers. So we have got different interventions from different stakeholders. We're working together to make sure that we find the comprehensive solution to resolve the water quality in the system.